Right. Okay. So have you tried your question?
Um,
Mm-hmm.
it's the 14, right?
Yeah, 14A. So what will be the name?
For A is magnesium chloride. I'm
Yep.
sorry,
Magnesium.
oxide.
Okay, very good. B.
Sodium chloride.
C.
Calcium chloride.
Correct. In this case, we don't call it calcium dichloride because this is metal and non-metal. Understand?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, come. How about 15?
Oh, I thought you say only about the 14.
Sorry, say again.
I thought you only said about the 14 one.
Oh, okay, come. We try 15 together. So the formula for sodium hydroxide is NaOH, and then for potassium hydroxide is KOH. So which two elements do you think are contained in all hydroxides? Okay, this
Um,
one.
it was K.
Hmm. So here,
What?
okay, hydroxide, can you see? Hydrogen is actually O. Yeah, sorry, H. And then oxide is actually O. So they're asking you two elements do you think in hydroxides? So what I think that they have is actually O and
OH.
H. Yeah.
Oxygen and hydrogen.
Oxygen and hydrogen, correct. Okay, so for
Lithium, oxygen, and hydrogen.
yeah, but then the name of the compound it will become, remember, if oxygen and hydrogen, it will become what's the name? Just
Oh, um, what was it? Wait, lithium
right.
hydroxide.
Correct.
Wait, no, wait,
Hmm.
no, wait. Oh, it's lithium
Correct.
hydroate.
Wait. No. It's not. How to say? That will be a. Is correct. Hydroxide, lithium hydroxide. I know you confused with. Wait, just a minute. Because just now is lithium plus sulfur plus oxygen, right? Just now. Then you will
Yeah.
become. They will become sulfate. But this one is exemption. It's not hydrate. It is hydroxide. This one.
Why?
Eh, you will learn more in details when you come to year 10. But then okay, wait. I can send you the compound name, combination of the compound name. Wait, just a minute. But that one is by right, you need to memorize when it come to year 10. Wait, just a minute. Relish. It's actually this blue table I sent in group. Mm, mm, mm. Wait, can you open up the picture? Then you can see.
Wait.
You can see the picture. Yeah. So if
Mhm.
if you see OH is called hydroxide. You see, even though like nitrogen and O, right? When you come to year 10, it can subdivided. It can become nitrate, nitrite. So I don't think so. I can explain in like 5 to 10 minutes. So temporary, if you see hydroxide, you just remember it as O and H first.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. And then for 17, question 17.
3.
Correct. Okay, very good. So we can move on. All right. It's a minute. Okay, so this one, you want me to go through with you or no need? The compound and mixture thing.
Yeah.
You want me to go through with you?
Mhm.
Okay, so we can come through this one. All right. Okay. Compound. Okay. It's a matter sulfur. Okay, so this one is actually recap a little bit. So again, when you have atom of elements, more than one elements, You combine together, they actually will form a name called compound. And then this is a very typical characteristics that you need to know. So when you form a compound, the characteristic is different from the element from what they made from. Okay, for example, originally iron is metal, and then it's
Yeah.
hard, strong, conduct heat, and then sulfur is non-metal, and then yellow, brittle, etc. Okay, when they form a new compound, iron sulfide, then it's actually, see, combined it will form iron sulfide. So it becomes non-magnetic and cannot conduct heat.
Is it because of sulfur?
Because they form new compound, remember? So I think, okay, so for this one, right, how usually I will study is that I will make it iron, and then I will write it this way, and then plus sulfur, right? And then they will form iron sulfide, isn't it? Wait, iron sulfide. And then you can write the characteristics down here. You understand what I mean? So that you can remember, like iron is hard, right? And then they can conduct heat. Okay, and then for sulfur is actually yellow, cannot conduct heat. And then the iron is actually non-magnetic, and then is not conduct heat. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so iron can conduct heat, can is magnetic. Sulfur is not. But then when you form a new compound, it's not also.
Yeah.
All right. So in that case, we will move on to next one. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So from here, this is a mixture. Okay. You see, so carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Okay, so can you see here is actually mixture of several elements and compounds. Again, from here, which one is compound, which one is element?
Uh, Carbon dioxide is compound. Nitrogen is
Element.
element. Oxygen element. Water compound.
Yeah. So like this. Okay. But then all these, that actually, you see, they're actually mixture of everything. Why is called mixture? Because, can you see? Nitrogen, all these, they never form a bond. You can still isolate them. Understand what I mean? They are called mixture. So it's mixture of four different types, four different things.
Okay.
Mm. Wait, the diagram shows which diagram here? Okay. How many different kinds of substance? Okay. So the other one, so you see another example is actually mineral water. They're actually minerals. They consist of combination of different things. Understand? So, okay, if I ask you to find this one, three most abundant mineral, do you know how to do?
Eight. What does abundant mean?
Uh, Sorry, say again. So abundance means like they have the most. So for example, right, if I tell you that on Earth 70% of the matter are iron. So this is high abundance. So it's like how much it appears. So from here we can see the one with a lot of content is this one, bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate.
Yeah, not dry residue, and then calcium maybe. And then we find the next highest number, and then chlorine, for example. Understand?
Okay.
Okay. Understand?
Yeah.
Mm. All right. So far, we can move on. Okay, next one. Okay, so you can see your checklist. Can you differentiate between a compound and a mixture?
Uh,
A compound is actually they have a chemical bond. Remember? Okay, I give you two examples. If
and then mixture doesn't have chemical bond.
yeah, mixture is no chemical bond. So for example, I give you this, right? So this is compound, or if I put it inside a container, is it a compound or mixture?
Mixture.
Yeah, because it's mixture of green dot and white dot. But if I give you this,
Compound.
yeah, understand. But if I give you another like this inside a container, this is actually, it will become back a mixture. It's actually mixture of compound and element. Understand? Yeah. So you see the difference between mixture and compound.
Yeah.
All right. So move on. Yeah, I think this one you can try to do it. Wait just a minute. Let me see. Particles of. You can try 2.7. This one to test whether you understand or not.
What?
2.7. We can try this 2.7 on page 73. You can see your page 73 and then you try first.
Mm-hmm. Wait, so what am I supposed to do?
You match the number alphabet here with the description here. Which one is which one?
Oh, I thought it said like it's like A and then A and then B is B and C and
No, no, no,
C
no,
and D.
no. You have to
I thought it was like
match.
that. I thought.
You have to match. Come. You try first and then we discuss.
Okay. I think
Mm-hmm.
A might be D.
Okay, this is D. Okay, very good. And then
B is C.
B is C. Okay.
And then C might be B.
Okay, very good. Mixture.
D is A.
Yeah, I think you're able to differentiate. Okay, so what I want to highlight here is A and C both are elements. It's just that this is atom, no? Atom of elements. Those are particles. No? Understand? And then
Wait,
for
so particles are joined
uh
or
no, you see the word as particles. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. So if let's say that I give you a green dot, also it can be particles. So as long as you can differentiate between atom and particles. Okay, the other thing that the differences that you need to know is actually this one they form chemical bond. This one no chemical bond. That's why this one is mixture. This one is compound. Understand?
Yeah.
All right. So you move on. Okay, so far I think okay. And then okay, chapter 2 done. Okay, and then another one. Chapter 5, is it?
Uh, yeah.
Wait, can you flip from your physical textbook and tell me which page is it faster?
151.
Okay, 151. Okay, wait. Okay, so for page 74 will be your homework, and then you do it, you post in group, 74.
Okay.
Okay, 151. Okay, properties of matter. Okay, this one, okay, I think quite straightforward, lah. Anything you want me to explain here?
Oh wait, let me just fold the paper, the homework.
Yeah, 74, just 74. I think real quick, within 10 minutes you can finish it.
Wait, only 74.
Yeah. The rest we discussed already, right? Just now, remember?
Yeah.
You can try your workbook as well. I think if you do you have the workbook?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try your workbook. Okay. And okay, so for this one, right, quickly go through with you. Okay, so matter, you know the characteristics, shiny, malleable,
Yeah.
ductile, right? Okay, so sonorous, you know the sound sonorous? When you take the matter, it's like the sound where they have echo sound.
Like this.
Yeah. You can hear, right? The sound that echo sound is called sonorous, right? And then they always remember when you say conduct, come together, conduct heat and conduct electricity. Okay, this one you need to memorize one. Some metal are magnetic. So example are iron, steel, nickel, but only these four. You need to remember. Not every single metal.
Wait, is it important?
Yeah, important. You need to know which metal.
Is it
Only these four. Not
only?
all. Yeah, I mean not all metals are magnetic. So you need to be careful.
Wait, why is yours different to mine?
I'm using the code that you sent to me. I think this is the way how they portray. But page number same, right? 153.
Yeah.
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 All right. And then let's move on. Do you know when is your exam date? Which date? Do they tell you? No.
No.
Just
I just think that it's next week because other exams are next week.
which day? Not sure.
It might be like Wednesday or Thursday because that's when we have science.
Okay. So over here, next thing is this one. Like I said, it's actually good conductor of electricity. Okay. And then for non-matter, those are the one that brittle, remember? Just a good conductor, now it will become insulator. Okay, when you talk about this, right, remember, okay, so here is recap. You need to know how to find matter and non-matter from your periodic table. Remember this one we learned in previous lesson?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know it.
Yeah. So you need to know because they might ask you, so ABC is non-matter. Give example of non-matter. Then you need to flip from your periodic table.
So hydrogen is the only non-metal in the group
Matter.
one.
Yeah. Correct.
And then from group one except hydrogen
Mm.
to group wait group 3 but except boron is metal.
Wait, here you can actually quickly find, wait just a minute. You can type periodic table, matter, non-matter. Yeah, this one. See? And then you can go to image. I think this one quite good. I think this is a very good summary of the highlight for you.
So what I remember it as is the yellow line.
Yeah. The divider, which is a mixture of both, and then the rest are matter and non-matter. Understand?
Yeah.
All right. So sure, we will move on. Okay. So a thing to highlight here, you see, most non-matter are gases. Okay, when you say gas, you know why is it gas or not? Okay. You see, combined with the previous topic, some of the questions they like to ask, boiling point and then,
Yeah.
melting point. Okay, for example,
It might be mostly gas because
mhm,
gas plus solid hydrogen plus oxygen is like liquid water. So maybe that's the only way to form liquid.
No, okay. So when we talk about gas or liquid, we see about the boiling point and melting point. So can you tell me for water, what's the boiling point or not?
Boiling point.
For water, pure water. 100, remember? And then for water to become ice is actually 0. Yes?
Yeah.
All right. So now I want to ask you, what happens if I give you the water, the temperature is 200. So can you tell me the physical state? Is it solid, liquid, or gas?
Gas.
How you know? It's actually we do this. So
Because it will evaporate.
no, yeah, I mean, I like to do this way, you understand? I always get the boiling point and melting point, and then I see on top of boiling point, all are gas. And then between is liquid, here is solid. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, I give you one example. If I tell you that magnesium, the boiling point is 3000 degrees Celsius, and then the melting point is 1000 degrees Celsius. So can you tell me what's the form for magnesium when it is at 200 degrees Celsius?
So the boiling point is 3000.
Melting point is 1000.
Melting point is 1000.
So tell me what's form at 200 degrees Celsius?
Wait.
Solid, correct. Again, understand? I always use this table, I table, I call it. So 3000 on top, I will do it this way. 1000 here, and then this is gas, liquid, solid. So then I will see where is my 200. If 200 is below here, then definitely solid. Understand?
Yeah.
And this one they like to ask in previous topic, chapter 2.
A lot or
I think it will be 1 or 2 questions. Understand? So, okay, for example, I give you one question. For example, they will tell you, okay, material X, they have the melting point of -40 and then boiling point at -10. So what's the physical state when the thing is actually at -30?
wait. So wait.
Is it solid, liquid, or gas?
Liquid.
Remember, use the I table is because it's in between. So here, yeah, so that's why liquid. Understand?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I think we almost done. Yeah, we might need one more lesson if you want. We can carry the next Saturday lesson to earlier on. I mean for your
Okay.
test. Yeah. Then that one will be discussed later in group. So temporary we stop here first.
Okay.
All right. Okay, I will upload in YouTube this one. Okay, see you. Remember do your homework and then post in group lah.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Welcome, bye.